Sulit ba kamo sa space? Dito ka na kay Daniela 3-story townhouse in Golden Horizon. Available ito sa Pag-ibig Financing for as low as 12,000 monthly. Best investment talaga, kaya tara! Hi everyone, this is Marian Sabido, your trusted HomeGo partner. If hanap mo nga yung magandang investment para parentahan mo, or di kaya para sa'yo at sa pamilya mo mismo, for sure, magugustuhan mo to. Paano ba naman may floor area ka na 73.70 square meters at may lot area ka na rin na 40.50 square meters. Dahil nga dyan, may provision ka na for 3 to 4 bedrooms at 2 toilet and bath at may basic finish na pala ito. Kaya naman mako-customize mo talaga ang preferred interior layout mo. At maganda na rin ang community natin dito kay Golden Horizon kung saan may complete township na tayo at 1 bus ride away lang from PITX. Reserve for as low as 10,000 pesos. Kaya tara, tripping na tayo.